Yeah, hi. We are from SOS embedded. The project title name is Women Safety Bangle and Tracking by using GSM GPS, SMS alert, live location and call alert. SMS alert, call alert, live location alert. So in this project we are using Arduino Uno R3 board, 80 mega 328 controller IC board and 5 volts power supply module connected to the Arduino board. GPS GY6M V2 GPS module connected to the third pin and GSM SIM 800C connected to the RX TX 0 and 1 and alarm connected to the 7th pin. Red LED, green LED connected to the 5 and 6. 16x2 LC display connected with RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and ST12E encoder IC and SOS button and 9 volts battery and a receiver connected to the 433 MHz ST12E decoder IC. And this is the wristband type, means bangle side, and this is on the back side, receiver side. These are all total receiver module and this is transmitter module. 9 volts battery, ST12E encoder, SOS button. So here bangle, okay. So this is a 9 volts battery, on off switch button and SOS button, RF transmitter module 9, okay, ST12A encoder IC. And here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source and bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module, Arduino Uno R3 board, 80 mega 328 controller IC board, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 LCD and 5 and 6 connected to the LEDs, alarm connected to the 7th pin and RF ST12D decoder IC connected to the A0, A1, A2, A3, GPS module and GPS antenna, GSM SIM 800C. Okay, so this is press and release type. I will send the how to insert SIM card video. Okay, so you can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, internet balance. Let's start power supply. Smart bangle for women safety using GSM GPS. Latitude value, longitude value. GPS is okay. Initializing GSM modem. Initializer successfully. Now you need to on the kit. It will say woman is safe. When you press the button, woman in trouble. Red LED on, previous green LED on. Okay, red LED on, alarm on, and it is taking the SMS alert. Okay, SMS alert. Please help me, latitude band, longitude band, press this location. So it will show you the exact location on the Google map, like SVS embedded. Okay, sending SMS, two mobile numbers, then call alert. Calling to my mobile, call alert came and SMS alert also came. So smart safety bangle for women safety using GSM GPS. So SMS alert and call alert. So GPS LED is blinking. Okay, so we need to go for the automatic side and press reset button. Press reset button. Smart safety bangle for women safety using GSM GPS, latitude point, longitude point. GPS LED is blinking, started. Go to automatic side. So GSM modem initialized successfully. Now woman is safe. 5 volts power supply module. GSM SIM 800C, Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, internet balance. Arduino Uno R3 board, 16x2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. RF receiver module, 433 MHz module. Okay, RF receiver unit with HT12D decoder IC and one red LED and one green LED indicators and one alarm and a GPS module, GPS antenna, and here is the 9 volts battery, on off switch button. Okay, on off switch button and RF 433 MHz module, and here we are using 5 volts regulator IC and HT12E encoder IC. Now I am pressing. Okay, so woman in trouble, latitude point, longitude point, sending SMS. Okay, red LED on, alarm on, latitude point, longitude point. We will receive the SMS alert also. Okay, SMS sending, message sent. Latitude point, longitude point. Message sent. We will receive SMS alert here. Okay, open the message, then calling mobile number 1. So SVS embedded. Call alert also came, SMS alert as well as call alert. Okay, call alert came, and a second number for the student mobile number for calling second number. Okay, so this is our total block diagram of the project. So hardware kit, calling second mobile number, then it will tell you that woman is safe. Thank you.